This is the all-new MODZ Flip4 seat. We designed it with all steel construction so that this golf cart is not going to rattle. We redesigned the rear seat cushion so that it is curved to fit your back, so it'll be an even more comfortable ride. The MODZ Flip4 seat comes in 8 OEM colors and is designed to fit the Club Car DS, President and Onward, the Yamaha Drive and Drive 2, the EZGO RXV, and the TXT. As you can tell by the seat back assembly, we added in more curves to make it look more OEM rather than an aftermarket add-on part. Behind the seat, we've added seat belt brackets so that you can hook up seat belts. That way everyone on back can stay safe. We have a new integrated handle that is at the back of the seat base so that you can easily open it and you don't have to worry about anything getting in your way. We have a new design diamond plate that is right at a 1/2 inch thick polyethylene for durability and long lasting. We've redesigned the footrest so that it has 2 holes for your safety bar or trailer hitch, but what you don't see is on the underside where we've welded in extra brackets so that it's more sturdy and you don't get that wave in the footrest like you do on some models. The footrest has additional brackets on each side for greater support. And that is the all-new MODZ Flip4 seat.